po tayo! Non-stop ang celebration para sa 75th anniversary ng GMA Network. Sa Thanksgiving party kahapon, dumalo ang Kapuso Stars at officials suot ang denim at diamonds-inspired outfit. Let's watch this.
Ang OOTD na guests and attendees sunod sa temang Denim and Diamonds na sumasalamin sa makulay, makinang at matatag na kasaysayan ng Kapuso Network sa loob ng 75 taon. Present ang Kapuso Executive sa pangunguna ni Chairman of the Board Advisor at Chairman ng Programming Committee Attorney Felipe L. Gozon. President and CEO Gilberto R. Duavit Jr., Executive Vice President and CFO Felipe S. Yalong, GMA Chief Marketing Officer Lizelle Maralag at iba pang matataas na opisyal ng network. Dumating din in their stylish and chic denim and diamonds fit sina Dingdong Dantes, Alden Richards, Barbie Forteza, Michael V., pati na ang mga Kapuso Love Teams. Naroon din ang mga personalities ng GMA Integrated News, Public Affairs at DZBB.
Maraming mga hinahandang magagandang mga programa and pelikula this year. Surprise na lang, I can't announce them yet, but a lot of big projects are in the works for our 75th anniversary.
It's an evening to give thanks, di ba? And also to talk about ideas kasama ng ating mga minamahal na advertisers.
We're very happy and it has been a while since nagkaroon tayo ng Thanksgiving. Medyo nakakamiss din to have these kinds of events.
Sa speech ni GMA President and Chief Executive Officer Gilberto R. Duavit Jr., nagpasalamat siya sa mga naging trade partners ng network.
As we celebrate our diamond anniversary this year, we look back at 75 years of changes made, challenges met, and relationships and partnerships we are profoundly grateful to have built around the world. Relationships and partnerships which have enabled us to continue to grow and fulfill our unwavering commitment to serve by providing quality content to entertain, inform, and enrich the lives of the Filipinos wherever.
Aubrey Carampel, nagbabalita para sa GMA Integrated News.